Hi guys, I'm Rayhana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful rabbit and put something into this, for example your hook, your pen or everything. So let's go to see how to crochet this. Started with a slip knot and then I'm going to crochet 12 chains here. Now I have 12 chains, then I make 2 chains extra and then put the hook in the third chain exactly here and make 1 double crochet. Again repeat, put the hook in the next stitch and make another double crochet. You must continue this until you arrive exactly here. The next round I'm crochet 3 chains and put the hook in the first stitch and make another double crochet here. Then again put the hook in the next stitch and make 2 double crochet together. And then we need just 1 double crochet in each stitch until we arrive in this part. We arrive here, put the hook exactly in this part and make 2 double crochet together and then put the hook in the third chain exactly this one and make 2 double crochet together. So in the end we have 16 double crochet. Now again for the next round, right before, make 3 chains and 1 double crochet here, and in the end, in the next stitch, make 2 double crochet together exactly in this part, and then in each stitch we need just 1 double crochet until we arrive here. Now we arrive in the end of this part, so I put the hook in the last stitch and make 2 double crochet together and then put the hook here in this part and again make 2 double crochet together like this part. Now we have 20 double crochet here. For the next round, make 3 chains and put the hook in the first stitch and then put the hook in the next stitch and make just 1 double crochet in each stitch until you arrive in the end of this part. And in the end, put the hook in the last chain here and make 2 double crochet together. And now we have 22 double crochet here. Again, like before, make 3 chains and put the hook here and make 2 double crochet and then go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet until you arrive here in the end. And when you arrive here, make 2 double crochet together in the last stitch. Now we have 24 double crochet here. You must continue this until you have 4 more rounds with 24 double crochet, so you don't need increase nothing. So make 3 chains and put the hook here in the next stitch and make 1 double crochet and put the hook in the next stitch and make another double crochet and continue this until you arrive here. So don't forget, you need 4 more rounds of this 24 double crochet. Okay, now we have 9 rounds and then I make 3 chains and then put the hook in the first stitch exactly this one, and I want to decrease, so again I put the hook here in the next stitch, again repeat and then now I increase, then I put a hook in the next stitch and make 1 double crochet and continue this until we arrive here, and then again we must to decrease. Now I arrive here, the end of this part, so again we need to decrease, so put the hook here and again here and make a decrease stitch, then make 3 chains and again put the hook here and repeat to decrease, and again repeat decrease in the next stitch, and then continue double crochet until you arrive here, and again we need 2 decrease in this part. Then you must repeat this decrease, so make 3 chains and again 2 decrease here. This is 1 and this is 2 decrease, and again in each stitch just 1 double crochet like this, and when you arrive in the end you need 2 decrease here, so 2 decrease here and 2 decrease here. Again repeat. Now we have 2 decrease here, again repeat 3 chains and 2 decrease here and 2 decrease here, and in the middle we need just 1 double crochet. After you complete this round like this part, we arrive here. Now we arrive here, decrease, and then we arrive here. I continue again. Now when you complete this round, again we need to decrease, so make 3 chains and make a decrease here, and then just 1 double crochet in each stitch, and you continue this until you arrive here in this end part, and again here you must to decrease. When you complete this round you must increase, so make 3 chains and put a hook in the first stitch and make another double crochet, then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet together. We must have 2 increase here and 2 increase here, so continue double crochet, just 1 double crochet in this part, and when you arrive in the end you must increase this stitch and this stitch. Again you must repeat this like this, put it here. If I put it here I arrive here, so again we need 2 increase here and 2 increase here, then in this part just 1 increase in the first line and in the end line, and then we must do decrease. I have just 1 increase here and 1 increase here, and then for the next round exactly this part we don't need any increase, so just make 3 chains and then put a hook in the next stitch and make just 1 double crochet, and you need just 1 double crochet in each stitch, so continue this until you arrive in the end of this part. Now I complete this round, and then I now arrive here in this part, and now we must do decrease, so here we need just 1 decrease here and 1 decrease here, so I do this. Now when I complete this round we need 2 decrease in the first line and in the end line here, and again repeat 2 decrease in the end line and in the next line, so you must complete these two parts with 2 decrease here and 2 decrease here and 2 decrease here and 2 decrease here. Okay, now I complete this, and for the end I make just 1 chain and cut the yarn, and then I use a needle to hide this extra yarn. When you complete this, you must crochet this one. This is exactly this part, so you must put it, if you put it here, you can see this is right, this part without this part. So crochet this, and then I want to crochet the second part, exactly this part. So again I use the same color of yarn and I make 15 chains here. Then I put the hook in the second chains and make single crochet. Again in the next chain make another single crochet, and again repeat. In the next stitch make another single crochet. Then here we need 1 half double crochet, and again in the next chain we need 1 half double crochet, and here we need 1 double crochet. Again repeat until you have 5 double crochet here. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5 double crochet here. Then we need 2 half double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2, and then here we need just 1 single crochet, and then in the last chain we need 3 single crochet. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Again I repeat. So in the next I need just 1 single crochet, here 2 half double crochet, and again 5 double crochet here, again 2 half double crochet and 3 single crochet until I arrive here. Complete this part, then I put it here and this one here, and like this part I make single crochet around of this rabbit exactly in this part. So in this hole you need 2 single crochet as you can see, and in this part you need just 1 single crochet. Again here you need just 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each hole, but here in this part you need 2 single crochet. So I put the hook here between these 2 holes and yarn over and make 1 chain, and then make 1 single crochet, and again repeat and make another single crochet. Then go to the next hole and make 2 single crochet here. Again go to the next hole between these 2 parts and make another 2 single crochet together. So you must continue this until you have single crochet in this round, and don't forget to attach this part here. The next round I want to crochet this part, so I make the magic ring and then put a hook here into this magic ring and make 5 single crochet here. Then put a hook in the first stitch and make one slip stitch and one chain, and then into each stitch you need 2 double crochet. So go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet and continue this until you arrive here. Then put the hook in the first stitch and make one slip stitch and one chain, and go to the next stitch and make 2 single crochet together in the same stitch, and in the next stitch make just one single crochet. So again, 2 single crochet in one stitch and one single crochet in next stitch until you arrive here, and make a slip stitch and then cut the yarn. And I want to attach this to this rabbit. Now this is complete. You can put your pen here, or you can put your hook here, or your spoon. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.